What's the most wild thing someone did to prove a point? My coworker, Brenda, was notorious for leaving passive-aggressive notes about shared kitchen etiquette. One morning, the fridge was packed solid, mostly with her overflowing containers. I politely mentioned she might need to make some space, suggesting she had a lot of leftovers. Brenda, instead of just taking some stuff home, decided to make a statement. She brought in a literal picnic cooler, labeled it Brenda's personal fridge, and plugged it in right next to her desk, completely hogging the outlet. We all stared, bewildered. Then our boss, who'd been watching the whole spectacle unfold, calmly walked over, unplugged Brenda's cooler, and plugged in the communal coffee machine. Brenda's face was priceless. She finally started taking her leftovers home.